Another progress report here on the 50 Ford pickup. It's going to look like the 48 Merc my brother has. I've got the chassis and drive shaft rear axles on and tires and rims on. I'm not sure what kit they're from, but I've got those on a little bit wider. The chrome wheels to match what he's got on his. Got the interior done here. I made up a little shift boot there, some shop towel, and painted that blue, and some paper here to do the floor mat. Then the door panels. I found this, I had this sort of, it's not felt, it's sort of a fabric here, the foam, thin foam from Michael's at black. So I took a piece of that and I squished it flat in between my fingers. I took the back of my hobby knife and ran it, just pressed it. I don't know if you can see to try and get the diamond pattern on there. I have to do that also for the roof of the cab. It's lined with that, so that came out pretty nice. Just greasy glued it on there. You can sort of see that a bit, get the right angle here. So that came out okay, gives the idea of that pattern on there. We got the dash all painted up here and ready to install. And there's the paints that I've mixed up. The leftover paint, the light and dark burgundy for the body parts and the truck. Well, I'm back for a quick progress report. I got the tape off and the parts painted here as close as I can get. Got the rear fenders glued on. Got the mural glued onto the back tailgate. Just held in place there. Got the interior tub into the cab. I don't know if you can see the I'll have some pictures later if you can see the detail, I guess not with the glare, of the tufted vinyl on the roof. Got the chrome bits on the hood here. Engine is in the chassis. I took a piece of card and made a template for the cover for the box out of the blue shop towel, just with white glue and black paint. That'll just fit on there, and it's malleable. It's shape. You can shape it, and it's flexible, so it can be shaped down there. That'll go on there. And I made a couple of these chrome diamond plates for steps on the running boards, and I've got two. One fell off. It's in a cup here. A little marker light in my parts box, and some tailgate chains. I just painted them black here from my parts box to put on the tailgate. So it's coming down to the final bits here, and some detail and trim pieces I have to create and make to attach to it, but we're getting close to the finish line now. So stay tuned, we're almost there. Well, I'm almost finished this build here for the Monogram 50 Ford pickup. I'm doing it as a 48 Mercury Hot Rod that my brother has. Got this little container I'm going to have it stored in. I thought one more thing I could do here is there's a label on the front. He's got this on here. I took a picture of his truck and I printed it off here and I scaled it to size. Just going to put it on with some Mod. I seal it with Mod Podge. A little says Mercury here, and this little picture of a Mercury head on this plaque goes in between the vents there on the hood. I'm going to just Mod Podge those in place and then seal them up with some Future. And hopefully that's it. I think I've got everything on there that needs to be, and I'll recap everything at the end of the video. Well, here's the final look at the build. It's all completed. I've got the little plaque on the front here and the Mercury. Got all the parts on. It's all painted up, sealed with Future. So I'll be giving that to my brother. It's his birthday in a couple of weeks, and I'll be giving it to him for that. And I think it came out pretty well. I'll post a few pictures at the end of the video here of the taken during the build and comparing it with the real thing. So thanks for following along. And again, this is part of the group build, the Canada Strong group build, hosted by Trevor, Monster Hobbies in Calgary, or in Alberta rather, High River, Alberta, hosting Canada Strong group build. And the Mercury truck was the version built in Canada. It's a 1950 Ford kit, but it's a 1948 Mercury, based on the truck my brother has. So thanks for following along, and we'll see you again soon.